When a homeless, addicted mother came to me for help getting into drug treatment, I was shocked at how difficult it was to find a place that would take her in. As we reported when I introduced Ashley's story last week, over the years, her addiction cost her her job, her home, and her family. It also cost her her smile. Kelsey Park, a pretty place, unless you have to live there. Homeless and addicted to opioids for 10 years, it's where Ashley spent many a night until she had had enough and reached out to me on Facebook, desperate for treatment to get off the drugs.
Living on the street, running from the sprinklers, running from, scary people, having to sleep at a park and be freezing cold. And I was just done.
At the time, Ashley was sleeping under a pavilion here in Kelsey Park. I made a few calls and got her into a treatment program. About a year later, she contacted me again, this time with good news and bad news.
Hi Liz, it's Ashley. You are the one that got me into treatment 11 months ago. I will be celebrating my year clean next month. I have a question. I'm extremely in need of dental help. Do you know anyone that could possibly help me out?
Ashley's opioid addiction had cost her her teeth, all of them. She'd come so far. What else could I do? I introduced her to Dr. Craig Spodak of Delray Beach.
Before we ever touch her with our hands, we'll be able to do it computerized and make sure that we're going to be placing the implants in a position that will support the teeth, both functionally and aesthetically for her.
Spodak Dental Group offered to create a brand new smile for Ashley, a full mouth restoration with permanent upper and lower dental implants.
I couldn't laugh so hard, or my teeth would come out by laughing.
Ashley could now say goodbye to her ill-fitting dentures, but first, impressions, then surgery.
We have to remove all that tissue, all the hard tissue, the bone and the gums, and remove those old root tips and then push the teeth out.
Holes were drilled into the gum and bone where dental implant metal posts were then placed. After a couple of days to heal, upper and lower bridges were screwed in.
I literally cannot wait to give her that mirror. It's the most transformational thing for me. I can tell you that it's for her, but I know better after 21 years of doing this. This is really for me. The giving is, the getting is in the giving in this case.
And then the big reveal.
Oh my God.
A new woman staring back in the mirror with a new smile and a new lease on life.
You look beautiful. I couldn't be who I wanted to be or laugh the way I want to laugh because of my mouth.
After 10 years of addiction and homelessness, Ashley is drug-free, employed, and mother again to her 2 children. The price was steep, the journey long, but finally, redemption.
I can't explain it. I feel off. It's a dream come true.
Ashley is rebuilding her life slowly but surely. Today, her mind is clear, her heart is full, her faith is strong. She is proof that there's no such thing as a hopeless case. If you need help with addiction, call 211. An operator there will provide you with contacts for agencies that can help.